Hello everyone, hope you're good as can be in these dark times. What you're about to witness is Adam from SSE. I only did get his first name as he was covered his badge with his fingers deliberately so he didn't have to show his name. But he's a nasty piece of work who's lied to the police. So SSE, on behalf of Alistair Philip Davis, CEO on £2 million a year, can fit a prepaid meter to a vulnerable household by pretending they don't need a risk assessment because they have not been informed that I'm vulnerable. Complete lie. This is what he told the police. He told them I was aggressive, danger to myself. I mean, he told them all kinds of just pure lies just to get into this property. That's what you're dealing with when you deal with a company like SSE. He told them I was aggressive. He told them I wasn't vulnerable when he knows full well I'm vulnerable, as it's logged on their computer systems as well as my CPN details. But by pretending that I'm not vulnerable gives them the right not to have a risk assessment done and just pretend they're not vulnerable. Even the fact that I came into hospital only the day before. I apologise for the state of the video. I've been in hospital for weeks, suffering a blood clot on the heart, leading to a stroke. I'm so sorry for the state of my speech, and I apologise for the state of the property. I've only been out of hospital one day and I've been told to have complete rest and not do anything at all. And because of that lying clown Adam from SSE lying to the police and just making things worse and saying I was aggressive and threatening, it caused my heart to beat that fast that it felt like it was going to beat out of my chest. It was beating so fast I thought I was going to pass out. It's like I was told to have complete rest and not do that, and it's like I could dislodge the blood clot, so my heart was racing. It felt like maybe I was going to pass out, so I was a bit worried. We shall see. Anyway, enjoy SSE's handiwork towards the vulnerable. I can defend myself against these times. Imagine how many vulnerable human beings can't.
Yeah. Who are you? Who are you?
From SSE, you're here to change your electric meter.
No, I don't think so.
We've got a warrant.
Have you? Good. Well, I've just come out of hospital yesterday. Have you got health and safety?
Okay, so you've got health and safety. When you say, is it...
I've just been released from hospital yesterday. Can you identify yourselves, please?
Yeah, so my name's Aisha, and I'm from SSE.
Identification. Yep. Your identification. Identify yourself, speak, please. Move your hand off your badge. What is your name? Confirm it verbally. Adam what? Adam what? Look, I'm asking you to identify yourself.
You don't need to be so hostile, sir.
Yes, I do, sir. I've come out of hospital. Where's your health and safety? Show me your health and safety. Show me the warrant.
Say it again. We can't show you the warrant. Who are you, sir?
I'm not.
If you can't confirm your name, we can't show you the warrant.
Well, what do you need to? Listen, show me that your health. Show me your health and safety.
What we're here for is to change the electric meter.
You're not changing anything.
So you need to identify yourself.
I'm not identifying yourself to anybody. You identify yourself, please.
I have. My name's Adam from SSE.
Second name.
Tell me your first name.
I'm telling you nothing.
No, no.
Okay, then how do you propose to
So
proceed?
if you say you've come out of hospital and you've got health problems.
I've come out yesterday. You'll give it.
Talk about it then. Like,
No, this is going up a line. It's going to think. I'm suffering from a heart condition, and you're increasing my heart condition. Good, good. Did you just say good? Did you just say good? Did you just say good then?
No, I said if you help us, then we can talk.
I don't need to help you. I'll come out for. Have you got? Show me your risk assessment. Show me your risk assessment for coming here.
I carry out the risk assessment.
Well then, well I'm telling you, this is a vulnerable property.
We can't show you anything if you're not going to confirm who you are.
Well now you're going to act on me. If you can't show me and you can't confirm who I am, how can you act on me?
Sorry?
How can you act on me?
Because we have a warrant.
Where have you got a warrant?
The electric meter.
Where have you got a warrant from? What's the name of the judge on that warrant? So I can confirm it's a valuable warrant. Listen, I've suffered a stroke and I've suffered a heart attack. You're increasing me. You could actually kill me. What you're doing now?
We're not stressing you.
I'm telling you now. I am giving you full warning. What you're doing now, you're stressing me out, and you can kill. No, you're not talking to me politely. Identify yourself, please. Identify yourself, please.
I can help you.
I don't want your help. Identify yourself.
You don't need to get aggressive.
I'm not getting aggressive. I've told you, you're raising my heart rate. I'm on tablets. I've just come out.
That's fine.
You think it's fine now? I've got a heart condition. So you think you can act on me while I've got a heart condition? How can you fit a meter?
What, sorry?
I've been released yesterday,
Okay.
1 day ago. Do you want me to show you the letters? I've got the letters. I've got my medication right here. Wait there a second. Let's get this on camera. So you should. And you'll be seen for what you are when you go up on YouTube, mate. You're an aggressive, nasty piece of work. I have suffered nearly a heart attack. I've suffered a stroke. You're not trying to help me. You're trying to do something. This is a vulnerable property. Who's that guy? Oh, that's a locksmith, ain't you? Identify yourself, mate. So I'm going to have a good look. See if how long it's going to take you to drill and lock, because that's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to force entry. You show me your warrant. You won't show me the warrant. What? You're confirming nothing for me.
Okay, so I've confirmed my name. And obviously,
No. You show me the health and safety risk assessment. No. Call the police. Police ain't going to help you. You think the police are going to help you? How are they going to help you? This is a civil matter, not a criminal offence. So how do you think they're going to help you? Hello. Hello. Ignorant fucks. Hello. Ignorant people. Hello. Oh, get my paperwork for the call the police. Get the police here, please. What they're doing now, you've got two bailiffs, one dickhead who won't identify himself, standing there saying he's going to break into this property from a person who's just been discharged yesterday from hospital with a heart condition and a mental health condition, who's on medication, who they won't even show a risk assessment to, and they just don't care. This guy laughs at the person with mental health issues and a heart condition. He just stands there, won't identify himself. So, and you've got the woman who won't even show the health. They've got to do a risk assessment when they come out, and they won't even show the risk assessment. A risk assessment to a person with mental health issues, somebody with a heart condition. He just laughs about it. This guy here, he doesn't care. That's embraced. I'm a vulnerable person. You cannot fit a prepayment meter to. They know the laws. They just ignore them. How have they got this warrant? What court it from? Where's it come from? Who's the magistrate who signed it? They won't show me the warrant. They're just going to get the police, and they think the police is going to help them. But the police is this simple. As soon as you put them on the roads, they can't do shit, because this is a civil matter, not a criminal matter. This guy, who goes back to you there, won't even identify himself to a vulnerable person suffering from mental health issues. And this one with the risk assessment, won't even show me the risk assessment. She ain't even done one. She thinks by just coming in and saying, I did a risk assessment, is a risk assessment, but it's not. She's now increasing my heart. I could die right any second. Any seconds, because of these increasing my heart. Any second I could die right now, and they do not care. So let them get the police, and let's see what the police say. I'm going to call an ambulance in a minute. Excuse me, sir. Sir, if anything happens to me while I'm in this window, I'm asking you to call an ambulance.
If anything happens to you, I will look after your...
I don't want you to look after me. I just want you to I'm going to shut the window on you. I want you to call an ambulance. If I don't care what you're saying, you can hear me. Okay. I'm not going to live that much. I don't trust you, see, sir. I'm scared of you. You've put me in fear. You won't identify yourself.
If you are actually videoing anything, just for your
Mate,
benefit,
there's my fucking discharge papers from yesterday. Look, you can't ignore them.
the camera there.
That camera's not on you. My camera's on me. I've got this. This is going up on YouTube, mate. Look, there are my... Look, just stop a sec. There are my hospital discharge papers from yesterday. It's fine. You think it's fine?
If you will talk to us properly,
I'm talking to
I
you.
can sort this out.
I'm telling you now, I'm a vulnerable person. You can't fit a prepayment meter to a vulnerable customer.
I'm not saying I want to prepayment meter. What I'm saying to you is, I want to talk to you about your
I
account.
can't talk to you. You won't identify yourself.
I've already identified.
You haven't. Well,
I'll give you my name.
what's your full
who I
name?
work for, and I've shown
Repeat
you
your repeat your full name.
That camera there will prove.
That camera can't hear this YouTube. You'll be up on YouTube, mate, to be able to prove it.
Not the first time I've been on YouTube.
It doesn't matter. Is it the first time you nearly killed a person while you're trying to execute a warrant?
I'm not going to bother talking.
All I'm asking, like, I'm asking for your help. You can call the police. What I'm saying is, mate, excuse me, if something happens to me now, will you call an ambulance, please? That's all I'm asking. That's all I'm asking. Mate, if something happens while I'm here, can you call an ambulance for me, please? You can call the police, but you won't call the ambulance. Is that what you're saying? Excuse me, sir. Mister, I work for SSE. Excuse me, who's the warrant? She's the warrant officer, isn't she?
If you'd like to talk to us,
There's nothing to talk about, mate. You ain't showed me no respect. You haven't identified yourself.
there's nothing we can do, sir.
I'm scared, mate.
We're going to let them sort this out.
I'm treated. Look.
We have treated you with the utmost
No, you have not. Just because you say,
shouted, threatened,
mate,
and it's
I've
not-
got mental health issues.
Take care. We'll wait there.
I've got mental health issues. That's what I'm asking. I'm asking, do you understand I've got mental health issues? That's why I'm angry. I'm being treated for it, you moron. You've treated me with nothing. You've just been patronising. That's all. If you failed to identify yourself, you put your name over the badge, which the video would show. You failed to identify your second name, and you're telling me that I've got to listen to you because you're a clown. I'm asking for the warrant officer and a risk assessment. Get her to show the risk assessment to the police. I want to see where it says that I'm vulnerable. Because you're just not listening. These are a bunch of clowns, like. Let's see what I've got to do. Can you identify yourselves, please? Can you identify yourself, please? Are you trying to be funny, like? I know you're a police officer. Yeah, can you identify yourself verbally, please?
Why do I need to do that?
Because it's in your policy, that's why.
I'm PC 6185.
Yeah, and your name, please.
No, I don't need to identify that. That's not in.
I will be reporting you to public standards. And if you do,
Absolutely fine.
okay, then. I'm not talking to you then. Can I speak to her, please?
185, there you go.
And your name, please.
No, I don't need
Then I'm not speaking to you. Speak to the lady, please.
22
What's your name, please?
PC gun.
Thank you. Whatever you have done, what she's just done. Then can you back away then, please? Can you back away, please? I'm not speaking to you. I'll speak to the lady. Back away, please.
Hello, mate.
Yeah, yes.
Mark.
Yeah.
Right.
No.
No, what's your name?
I'm not obliged to give you my name.
I'm sure I checked that.
If you can tell me what law I'm obliged to give you my name, I'll give it you.
So I check you're okay. I'm not arguing.
Oh, I am okay apart from my heart.
That's what I'm concerned about. This is your nurse, isn't it?
Yes.
She's told you all your conditions that you're not been well.
I've just been released from my... I tried to...
That's what I'm trying to get to.
Well, I don't mean to be funny, like, I suffer from mental health issues, and I see you lot, and you look the enemy to me,
Yeah.
so I'm afraid of you.
Okay, that's fine.
So that's what I'm not being funny, I'm just scared of you.
Well, let me explain why we're here then.
Yeah.
So there's a CSE company outside about a meter, basically.
Yeah.
They say they want to put a prepaid meter in.
They can't fit a prepayment meter. I know,
Explaining why we're here.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
want to put that prepaid meter in. I spoke to your nurse. She said that's not going to work because you can't get out to the shop because you're not very well.
That's what I've told them, but they ain't having it.
But I think you said as well that you were going to hurt yourself. That's why we're here.
No, say that's a lie. I says I'm suffering from a heart condition and you're making me angry.
Okay.
And so my heart rate's increasing. I said, if I collapse and hurt myself, can you ring the ambulance, please? That's all I said.
So you've made no threats to hurt you. You're not going to hurt your.
No, they're saying that so you can get in here because I understand that under the Mental Health Act, I understand what they're trying to say. But what I said was, I've been released yesterday from a heart condition. I've got a blood clot on the heart.
Yeah, your nurse just said.
And what happens is, I said, you're making me angry at this point. So if I collapse in a second while I'm on the phone talking to you, can you ring the ambulance, please? That's all I said.
Okay.
But I'm okay.
Okay. And you've not made any threats to them because that's what they were saying.
I've got it all recorded.
Okay, that's fine. That's your choice if you want to.
They're only saying that. They're saying that to you because they know the law. That if they say that to you, you've got to act on that. I've made no threats. All I've done is explained that they can't. I know they can't fit a prepayment meter to a vulnerable person. I know that if you're acting on your oath today, you're here for a breach of the peace, and I haven't caused none.
I'm not here for anything.
Are you acting on your oath today?
I'm not what, sorry.
Acting upon your oath. You know the oath you took. Your attestation.
Me.
You know when you was the first police officer,
Yeah.
you took an oath, didn't you?
Yeah.
Are you acting upon that oath?
I've come out.
Are you acting upon that oath? If you're acting upon that oath, then you're here for a breach of the peace, and they're trying to say there's a...
breach of the peace. I'm here to check that you were okay because you said you were going to hurt yourself. So it's a safe.
No,
Well,
you're assuming that I said that. I didn't say that.
that's what's been reported, isn't
That's
it? So once
look
that
at
gets
consider the source.
said, once that gets said, I have to come and make sure that you're okay.
Consider-
That's my job, isn't it?
Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, I'm not being funny and difficult. See, the bottom line is that fitting no prepayment meter here.
That's-
I understand that you can only be here for a breach of the peace unless they've said something. They've said something, so you act upon it, so you can get in here, so they can get in here.
We're going in circles a little bit. The reason
I'm a bit scared of you.
The reason I'm here, do you understand the reason we're here as well? Because we're going in circles a little bit now. Is this prepaid meter's nothing to do with me? That's a civil.
Oh, so you're not here for that?
No,
Oh, sorry. That's. I thought.
That is between you and your agency or your debt. That's a
I should
civil-
hope so. It's a civil matter. Thank you. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you for saying that. It's just what it is. I'll dial it down a bit. Sorry. So I'll open the window. You ain't gonna grab the window or nothing, are you?
Man, just open it properly. I can talk to you properly.
Don't be giving me no. You ain't,
I ain't bullshitting you. Just open it and I can talk to you. I can hear you.
if you pull the window, then you're gonna have to pull my hand. I can talk to you.
That's better.
Well, it is. It's a. I know this is a civil matter.
Yeah.
By involving you, they're trying to make it a criminal matter. I haven't threatened them. I haven't threatened myself.
So I'm checking that.
So I can confirm that. I'm on video telling you that's not the case. I'm a lucid person. I'm suffering from mental health issues, for depression, not because I'm hearing voices, you know what I mean?
I'm not saying you are, but you're getting a bit confused why we're here.
Yeah, that's because I think you're here to assist them.
No, so the civil thing,
Yeah.
Peter and you,
Okay, yeah.
completely different thing.
Okay.
Not regarding us.
Yeah.
The concern was that you said you were going to hurt yourself or you're going to hurt somebody else.
According
That's why
according
you're
to
here.
them.
Okay, but once something like that is said,
Yeah.
we have to come out. Don't
Okay.
We?
Well,
so
could-
are you safe and well in there?
Yeah, all it is what it is nothing. It's my heart.
Can you make sure that you are? Do you know the
Yeah,
facility?
yeah.
Do you wanna- So we can see you. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you make sure that you're okay?
She can come in, but I'm not letting you in.
All right, we'll just go.
I'll let you in when you've gone. I don't trust you.
Okay. You got any further?
No.
Do you want to make sure he's all right?
Yeah, is that okay? Listen, mate. Mate, I'm sorry for being the way I was with you. Excuse me, can I apologise to you?
No problem.
I wasn't funny. It's just
Take it personally.
I actually thought that you were here to assist them. I took that position. She's explained it to me. I've been a bit of an arsehole and I apologise.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
Let's put it this way. We're gonna
Fist bump at the
We
window.
wanted to speak to you.
Yeah.
We also want to go and speak to
Yeah.
them. They may have something that's like a high court warrant, which we don't.
They haven't got a warrant. If they've got a warrant, go and ask them to look at the judge's signature. There'll be no name.
Right now.
Oh no,
right
it's not a
now,
warrant.
We've got to speak to them. We don't know.
Yeah.
All right.
I just want to say sorry for the way I was with you.
Is it Mark?
Yeah. No, not Mark.
Okay. Well, we're going to have to be concerned on who's in the property then. But if it's Mark, just. Yeah, okay.
Okay, it is Mark.
Okay.
Fair enough.
All we want to do, our first and foremost thing to do is make sure you're
Yeah,
okay.
I'm okay. What it is, I know my rights. You see, that's what it is.
Yeah, I don't don't say that that's not the case. But our main thing
Mm. Yeah.
is regarding
Yeah.
the prepaid meter. It's not our concern.
Yeah, that's when you said, as soon as you said that was good.
Somebody said that you want to hurt yourself.
Yeah.
We don't want you to do that.
Not the case.
So, our second thing is we want to find out what's going on.
It's them lot.
This lady's told me some information about your health
Yeah.
and well-being, which may override anything that they've got.
It does override.
So,
Okay.
I've got to go and make.
I'd just like to say I apologise.
No problem.
Okay, mate.
Alright.
Thank you very
I'll
much.
speak to them and you chat to this lady.
Okay, yeah.
And we'll speak to her in a minute.
Okay, thank you.
You're gonna just have a chat to her.
I'm all right, Nikki. I'm good. Thank you. Yeah. See, that wouldn't have happened if you were there.
Hello, welcome back again.
Hello.
So I've spoken to the lads from the CSE and the lady that was up. CSE?
SSE, yeah.
SSE. Spoken to them up there and they're saying what they can do, if you don't want the prepaid meter, yeah, that you don't want in, they'll set up something, a fuel card, wasn't it, or something, or fuel
No,
card.
I can tell.
You won't have any say, and what they'll do is they'll just take it out your benefits every month to pay the bill.
They can try and do that if they want.
That's the options. That's not me saying that. That's
No.
them giving you the
I
options.
don't want the I've got a say in it because this is my property and they only own the meter. I've got a say in it. I'm not accepting anything from them.
Okay, but that's the options they're giving.
Well, they're not getting there.
So they don't need to. They don't need to come in because they'll take it straight away.
Well, let them do that then.
Okay.
I'm not giving them permission. I'm just saying I don't accept anything.
I don't think they need permission.
Well, then why are you asking me then?
Because I'm going to tell you
Oh
what's going
no,
on.
I don't mean you. I mean why do they ask? If they don't need my permission, just why do I need to say anything?
The prepaid meter, isn't it, is so you can control your spending. If that makes
Nobody's coming in here, not you, not them. No offence. Like I said, if I know that you're not here for them, but if you are here for them, you're here for a breach of the payment.
sense. For a breach of peace.
So you can't assist them.
If I
So
was here for a breach of, if I was
Yeah.
here for a breach of peace,
Sorry,
we'd be
yeah.
having a very different story.
Yeah.
Coming in, and I ain't coming in.
yeah,
So that's being honest with you. So I'm not here for that.
yeah.
I was here because, like I said earlier,
That's what I was like. That's what I apologise because I thought that you were here for. I thought you were here for a breach of the peace. You see, that's what I thought they were trying to say.
do you understand
They're not going to do anything to me.
They will. Do you understand what? Because I don't think he's happy to what they'll end up doing.
They're doing nothing.
The money automatically.
I'll put a stop to that. So well, man.
Well, just be mindful. I'm saying if you get so much benefits a month and they start, I don't know how much your bill is. I don't know. How much
No offense. No offense. I deal with civil. I deal with civil torts all the time. They'll be doing
you
nothing.
probably know more than me, to be
I'll
honest.
be honest. I probably do. Yeah.
That's what they're saying.
They can say what they want. They'll be doing nothing.
Right, and you understand as well. The
Yeah.
situation.
But thank you for today. Thank you for being professional. Apologise to your partner for me. I wasn't being offensive. I just saw you as the enemy.
That's fine. A lot of people do.
Yeah.
Uniform and it, I think they don't like.
So yeah, I'd like to apologise for that. I wasn't being funny. I thought what they normally do. You come and assist them, but under 2015 Criminal Courts and Justice Act, you can't, can you?
Well, I'd like to say it's civil, it's nothing to do.
Yeah.
Criminal.
That's why I saw you. I've seen too many videos when you assist them.
No, she says they only can because they make believe he was doing it.
I'm gonna-
Yeah. You know that was a lie, don't you?
It gets said that as soon as that's said,
Yeah.
we can't.
It was my heart, not my head. If that makes sense.
She said to them as well, we don't think forcing entry here will do you any good.
There will be forced entry.
Do them as well. That's when they said about another way.
Well, it is, officer. They can't force a prepayment meter on a vulnerable customer, and they do it all the time. That's all they're doing.
Your rights, you probably read into it far
Yeah, I
more.
do actually. I know your rights, to be honest.
You probably know better than
Yeah.
mine. Priority is making sure that you're safe.
Yeah.
And you're not going to do anything silly when we go.
No, yeah. But they are not coming in here. As long as they understand that. Okay. Thank you. Just stand there, Nikki. The car move you. Just stand by the door. Thank you. Thank you for being professional. Thank you. See, look, they do nothing. They can't take money at my benefits. Can't do it. That's just a threat. That's all that is. Well,
This was just saying to him, there's literally nothing you can do. You can't force train that.
yes, I told her. I know she is. And when they come round in there, what's what I do to them? I just.